Welcome to Advanced CAD/CAM tutorial. Today we are going to make simple bottle in SolidWorks. Here we are learn basic command surfaces. I hope like it. I choose here file new. I select here part. I will select top plane. इसके select name. Select here center rectangle. Remove relation. Select origin point. Hold shift key. Midpoint. Make relation horizontal. Again horizontal relation. We will define first this line 127 mm, 76 mm, 203 mm. Enter. Now see this drawing fully defined. Simply exit. Extrude boss base 305 mm. Draft angle 5 degree. Hit enter. I will sketch front plane. Draw spline. Hold shift key. Tangent relation. Define. Between distance 76 mm. Tangent relation 190. Angle 60 degree. Extrude cut. Through all both. Direction outer. Again I will select front plane. Sketch. Let me draw vertical line. I will select one more time line horizontal. Base define 149.78 mm, 178 mm. Draw a circle. Define 250 foot dia. Go to Extruded Cut. Mid plane. Throw all both. I will use fillet. Natural. Full round fillet. Select one face, two face, three face. Similarly, we have to create for this side. Fillet. Second face, third face. Background white. Next, I will use shell. This face, four face. 2 mm. Show preview. Surfaces, offset surface. Zero mm. Next I will sketch front plane. Draw a spline. Exit sketch. Trim surfaces. Select sketch. Surface. Keep selection remove. Thickness 2 mm. Unmerge. I will sketch front plane. Draw line. Draw line R2 here. Select. Choose here 3-point arc. Define. Radius 100 mm. Now let's start define. Smart dimension, overall length 800 mm, depth 12 mm, 541, 500, 110 mm. Now see this drawing fully defined. Features: extrude, mid plane, 219 mm, unmerged result. Select. Now we'll use full round fillet. First face, second face, third face. Again use fillet, 13 mm. Select. Select face sketch. Select here circle. Smart dimension 110 dia. Hit enter. Select. Exit sketch. Next, sketch this face. Convert entities. Features: extruded cut, 10 mm. I will use fillet, 13 mm. This simply will also mirror right plane. Select mirror, right plane, front plane. See, again fillet, mm. Looks good. Next I will sketch this face. Convert entities. Extruded cut, 10 mm. Fillet, 13 mm. Similarly, we have created for this side. Sketch, convert entities, extruded cut, 10 mm. Fillet, 13 mm. Sketch face, select sketch, convert, extrude, 18 mm. Thin features, 2 mm. Hide sketch. I will use shell. Select face, 2 mm. Show preview. See, sketch this face, convert, hold shift key, convert, trim entities, extrude cut, 10 mm. Similarly, we have created for this face. Sketch, convert, hold shift key, select face, convert. Trim entities. Extrude cut. I will use fillet 10 mm. Again use fillet 10 mm. I will sketch this face converted to this. Select helix spiral, reverse direction, height and revolution, height 60 mm, revolution 3.5, starting angle 217 degree, clockwise. Select. I will create plane, reference plane, right plane. Simply select sketch plane. Let me draw center rectangle. Remove relation. Make relation horizontal. Select define 4 mm, 7 mm. Between distance 9. Exit sketch. Height plane. Now use sweep. Select profile, curve. Hide sketch. See our thread. Next I will create plane. Reference plane, top plane, distance 510 mm. Now I will use cut surface. Selection upper direction. Right. So this base model is now ready. Select face. Select face. Go to Appearanc, face. Choose yellow color. Looks good. Thanks for watching.